Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a little video here just about the Udemy review system. Just 'cause I get a lot of questions about it, so rather than sort of answer them, I figured I'd just put it out here. So we'll make this quick. Basically, as you're watching the course, after about, say, 10 minutes or so, 10, 15 minutes, once one of the lectures ends, you'll be prompted with the screen that you see right here. So it's asking you, based on what you've seen so far, how would you rate this course? And it's maybe hard to see on the screen here, but you can highlight the different stars. Or say I'm not ready to leave a rating. A lot of times, when this pops up, you haven't seen a lot of the course content because so far all I've really done is introduce the course. I've introduced myself. Now you're watching this video, so you're probably only seen like a few minutes of actual course content, and this screen will pop up. So if you feel like you've seen enough that you're ready to give it a review, terrific. But I'd certainly encourage you to maybe hold out because there's certainly a lot ahead in the course for you to learn at that point. And a lot of times people just feel like they should just give it some random review when they really aren't prepared yet. So I would encourage you to say I'm not ready to leave a rating. Up to you if you want to say don't ask me again. If you do this, the course will continue, and then one or two things you can do to then leave a review later on. Once you're completely done the course, it will bring up a screen like this again and ask you. So that's once you've taken all the lectures. Or, and I have it open here on a different tab, if you go to your course dashboard at any point, you'll see right here. So it says continue to lecture 4. So this popped up after just the third lecture in the course, which isn't too far into it. So you'll see this here, rate this course, and you can do it here. I won't do it obviously. Actually, we'll just click on one just to see what it brings up. Okay, and it brings up this screen again where you can leave your star rating. So, and the next screen will ask you to write any comments you might have. So I'd encourage you to do that maybe. Just wait, just say you're not ready, and then you can come here at any point and leave your review. And just as a side note, I'm going to go back one here, if it'll work. Yeah, you won't see this until you get to about 10 minutes in the course. So when you first start the course, you won't see this at all. Don't be alarmed. It will appear after you get far enough into the course that about 10 minutes for you to leave a review. Or like I said, just wait till the course is completely done, and you'll be completely ready to leave a review at that point.